Embarrassed of your dark underarms? Welcome to Lifestyle Stalkers. In this video you will learn more about 8 natural ways to get rid of dark underarms. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you won't miss any of our lifestyle videos. There are many factors that can cause dark underarms. Too much use of hair removal creams, sweating, shaving, alcohol-based deodorants or perfumes and excessive weight are among the major reasons for having dark underarms. Obesity and certain medications are also known to cause dark underarms. If you have dark underarms, you don't have to worry as there are a few underarm whitening remedies obtainable that are effective. These 8 tips on how to get rid of dark underarms have proven to be effective. 1. Baking soda. This is an excellent remedy as it is a natural exfoliant and can help in scrubbing off the dead skin cells. You will need water, rose water and 2 to 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a few drops of water and make a thick paste to get rid of dark armpits. Apply it on the underarms and gently rub it in a circular pattern as this is effective in getting rid of dark underarms. Continue doing this for at least 4 times a week and you will see the underarms becoming lighter in color. 2. Cucumber and lemon. Lemon works perfectly when it comes to removing dark areas. Cucumber and lemon are both well known to have underarm whitening properties. Cucumber's bleaching properties can help you to get rid of dark underarms while lemon can lighten your skin tone. Mix cucumber juice with lemon juice and apply the mixture. Lemon juice or cucumber with a pinch of turmeric has proven to be very useful when it comes to getting rid of dark underarms. You can also use a cut cucumber in round pieces to rub your underarms for a few minutes every day to help you get rid of dark underarms. 3. Yogurt and gram flour. If you have dark armpits, then the use of yogurt and a paste of gram is an excellent underarm whitening option. Mix 2 tablespoons of gram flour to 1 teaspoon lemon juice to make a paste to get rid of dark armpits. Apply the paste on your underarms for half an hour before you take a bath. Use cold water to wash the paste off and pat it dry. Quick results of this underarm whitening remedy can be achieved by using the remedy each alternate day. 4. Honey and milk. Milk has vitamins and the acids which are excellent in skin lightening. Mix milk and 1 tablespoon of honey and add a little turmeric powder or lime juice to your mixture. Apply it on the dark armpits to get rid of dark underarms. You can as well make a paste of milk, gram flour and honey and apply it. Let the paste dry for some time and after that wash it off with cold water before drying it with your towel. 5. Coconut oil. This is excellent underarm whitening agent as it contains vitamin E. Massaging your coconut oil on your underarms between 10 to 15 minutes before you take a shower every day is a great remedy. Massage this oil in a circular motion and then wash it using a mild soap and lukewarm water to make getting rid of dark underarms easier. 6. Potato. Potatoes are natural bleaching agents because they have mild acidic properties and are very useful in helping one get rid of dark underarms. Use thin slices of potato to rub your underarms for about 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse off using lukewarm water to get rid of dark armpits. You can as well use potato juice or a cotton ball to rub your underarms. Wait for 10 minutes before washing it off. Use the remedy 2 times a day. 7. Orange peel. The orange peel can be used as an underarm whitening remedy. Since an orange peel is a citrus like lemon, it has bleaching properties that make it a good natural remedy. Make a scrub of orange peel by just grinding the peel to form a powder and then mix it with milk and rosewater to make a thick paste. Scrub this paste gently on your armpits for 10 minutes and after that use cold water to rinse the paste off. This scrub will bleach your skin and get rid of dark underarms, leaving your skin more refreshed. 8. Vinegar. Vinegar is among the excellent natural remedies to help you in getting rid of dark underarms. Vinegar also helps a lot in exterminating bacteria and germs, which thrive on your dead skin and as well lighten up the skin. Make it thick by mixing vinegar and rice flour. Apply the paste on your underarms while taking shower with lukewarm water. Wash this paste off with lukewarm water after leaving it on your skin for about 15 minutes. This underarm whitening remedy will make your underarms smell nice and become smoother. Are you ready to try one of these 8 natural remedies? Check out our recent clip as well here in Lifestyle Stalkers. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.